Hello students, some important oxidizers and reducers. Some important from inorganic chemistry, some important of oxidizers and reducers. So what are the oxidizing agents? So for first one is I give some KMnO4 strong oxidizing agent. KMnO4 act as oxidizer, K2Cr2 also oxidizer, and HNO3 also oxidizer, and H2SO4 also sulfuric acid also oxidizer, and sulfur trioxide also oxidizer, and ferric chloride also oxidizer. These are the important oxidizers. These all are oxidizers. KMnO4, K2Cr, KMnO4 in acidic medium and in basic medium, KMnO4 in acidic medium and basic medium and alkaline medium also, KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, KMnO4 potassium permanganate, acidic medium, basic medium and neutral medium also act as oxidizer. K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate also act as oxidizer. Nitric acid also act as oxidizer. Sulfuric acid also act as oxidizer, and sulfur trioxide also act as oxidizer, and ferric chloride also act as oxidizer. These are the important oxidizers. That whatever that H2S, this H2S is only for reducer. H2S act as very most important student. H2S act as a reducer. H2S only reducer. What about remaining? This is HNO3. This both oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. HNO2, nitrous acid, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide. These are the both oxidizer as well as reducer. These are the very most important oxidizers and reducers, students. So reducers means only for H2S, and HNO2, SO2, H2O2 and MnO2, these four are act as both oxidizer as well as reducer. These are the important oxidizer and reducers. Only reducer H2S only pure reducer, and HNO2, SO2, H2O2, MnO2 both oxidizer as well as reducer. Only oxidizer means that is potassium permanganate, K2Cr2O7, HNO3 and H2SO4 and SO3 and FeCl. These are the oxidizer. So some example, I gave some examples. Acidified KMnO4, that is strong oxidizing agent. In the presence of KMnO4, H2S is converted into, very most important student, this is the H2S, hydrogen sulfide is converted into sulfur. It is called oxidizer. In the presence of KMnO4, we should take out of these any one, KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, HNO3, H2SO4. H2S on oxidation it gives rise to sulfur. Hydrogen sulfide on oxidation gives rise to sulfur, and sulfur dioxide on oxidation in the presence of KMnO4 or K2Cr2, any these five oxidizing agents, sulfur dioxide is converted into sulfate. When SO3 minus 2 on oxidation, SO3 minus 2 on oxidation is converted into SO4 minus 2, that is sulfate. Sulfide is converted to sulfate. And NO2 on oxidation, in the presence of KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, HNO3, H2, take any oxidizing agent, it is converted to NO3 minus, nitrate ion. Now take the Cl minus chloride, bromide, iodide, it is converted into chlorine, bromine, iodine. Chlorine on oxidation, chloride and oxidation is converted to chlorine. Bromide and oxidation equals to bromine. Iodide it oxidation it gives us to iodine. So these are the very most important, students. Fe plus 2 is converted into Fe plus 3 on oxidation. Formic acid on oxidation it gives us to carbon dioxide and water. And oxalic acid on oxidation to gives carbon dioxide plus water. And S2O3 minus 2 on oxidation it gives rise to S2O6, that name is called thionate. S2O3 minus 2 is S2O3 minus 2 on oxidation, thiosulfate, it is converted into thionate. It is also very most important, student. But when calcium sulfide, it is very most important, student, when calcium sulfide and oxidation, to give calcium sulfate. When calcium sulfide and oxidation to give calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfide in the presence of KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, any compounds to give calcium sulfate. And but hydrogen H2S, hydrogen sulfide it gives only sulfur. It is very most important, student. H2S unoxidized it gives sulfur only, but calcium sulfide hydrogen sulfide on oxidation to give pure sulfur, but calcium sulfide on oxidation to give calcium sulfate. It is very most important simple trick, student. These are the some important oxidation reactions, students. Hydrogen sulfide, SO2, these are the important conversion of oxidation. H2S is converted into sulfur, SO2 is converted to SO4 minus 2, SO3 minus 2 is converted into SO4 minus 2. These are the very most important oxidizers, students. Okay, if you like my video, please like and share, and thank you.